Marble flooring. Pros. Aesthetic appeal. Marble flooring is renowned for its timeless and luxurious appearance, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Cool temperature. Marble remains cool to the touch, making it a popular choice in warmer climates. It also works well with radiant heating systems. Cons. Prone to stains and scratches. Marble is porous and can be susceptible to stains from acidic substances. It is also softer than some other flooring options, making it prone to scratches. Regular maintenance required. Marble requires regular sealing to maintain its appearance and protect it from stains. Without proper care, it can lose its luster over time. Laminate flooring. Pros. Affordability. Laminate flooring is often more budget-friendly compared to other types of flooring, making it a cost-effective option for clients on a tighter budget. Easy installation and maintenance. Laminate flooring is known for its easy installation with click-and-lock mechanisms. Additionally, it is relatively low maintenance, requiring simple cleaning with a damp mop or vacuuming. Cons. Not water-resistant. Laminate is susceptible to water damage, and prolonged exposure to moisture can cause warping or swelling of the planks. Limited refinishing options. Unlike hardwood, laminate cannot be sanded and refinished. If it gets damaged or starts to show wear, replacement may be necessary. Terrazzo pros. Aesthetic appeal. Terrazzo flooring offers a visually stunning and customizable surface with a variety of colors and aggregate options, allowing for unique and eye-catching designs. Durability and longevity. Terrazzo is a highly durable material that can withstand heavy foot traffic and resist scratches and abrasions. When properly maintained, it has a long lifespan, making it a cost-effective choice over time. Cons. Installation complexity. The installation process for terrazzo is intricate and requires skilled professionals. The pouring, polishing, and sealing processes must be executed with precision to ensure a flawless finish, which may contribute to higher installation costs. Initial cost. Terrazzo flooring tends to have a higher upfront cost compared to other flooring options. The expense can vary based on factors such as design complexity, materials used, and the expertise required for installation. Vitrified tiles. Pros. Durability. Resistant to scratches, stains, and water, vitrified tiles endure high traffic areas, ensuring longevity and reliability for daily use. Low maintenance. With a smooth, non-porous surface, vitrified tiles require minimal effort for cleaning, making them a practical choice for both busy households and commercial spaces. Cons. Cold surface. In colder climates, vitrified tiles can feel cool underfoot, prompting the need for rugs or underfloor heating to enhance comfort. Hardness. While their hardness contributes to durability, vitrified tiles may be prone to chipping or cracking when exposed to heavy impact, necessitating caution during installation and use.